Hello everyone. Today's topic is qualities of printers and qualities that define a printer. What is qualities of printers? Some points are defined qualities: color, resolution, languages, fonts and speed. So discuss one by one. Let's start. What is color? Color is important for users who need to print pages for presentation and other pages where color is part of the information. Color printers can also be set to print only in black and white. Color printers are more expensive to operate since they use to ink cartridge that need to be replaced after a certain number of pages. Users who don't have a specific need of color and who print a lot of pages will find a black and white printer cheaper to operate. Next is a resolution. Printer resolution, the sharpness of text and images on paper, is usually measured in dot per inch, means DPI. Most inexpensive printers provide sufficient resolution for most purposes at 600 DPI. Next is languages. Printer languages are commands for the computer to the printer to tell the printer how to format the document being printed. These commands manage font size, graphics, compression of data sent to the printer, color, etc. The two most popular printer language are PostScript and printer control language. PostScript is a printer language that uses English phrase and programmatic construction to describe the appearance of a printed page to the printer. This printer language was developed by Adobe in 1985. It introduced new features such as outline fonts and vector graphics. Printers now come from the factory with or can be loaded with PostScript support. PostScript is not restricted to printer. It can be used with any devices that creates an image using dots such as screen displays, slide recorders and image setters. PCL means printer command languages, is an code language used to send command to the printer for printing documents. Escape code language is called because the escape key being the command sequence followed by series of code numbers. Originally devised PCL for dot matrix and inkjet printers. Since its introduction, it has become an industry standard. Other manufacturers who sell HP clones have copied it. Some of these clones are very good, but there are a small difference in the way that they print a page compared to real HP printers. The original HP laser printers was introduced using PCL. PCL helped change the appearance of low-cost printer documents from poor to exceptional quality. Font. A font is a set of characters of a specific style and size within an overall typeface design. Printers use resident font and soft font to print documents. Resident font are built into the hardware of printer. They are also called internal font or built-in fonts. All printers come with one or more resident fonts. Additional font can be added by inserting a font cartridge into the printer or installing soft font to the hard drive. Next is a speed. What is speed? If you do much printing, the speed of the printer becomes important. Speed is a measure in characters per second, CPS, or pages per minute, ppm. The speed of printers varies widely. Color printing is slower. More expensive printers are much faster. Line printers are fastest. Dot matrix printers can print up to 500 CPS, and laser printers range from about 4 to 20 text pages per minute. Next is comparison of conventional and digital printing. Digital printing refers to method of printing from a digital based image directly to a variety of media. It usually refers to professional printing, where a small run jobs from desktop publishing and other digital source are printed using large format and high volume laser or inkjet printers. Digital printing offers a solution for small to medium sized businesses looking to do shorter runs or larger businesses looking to utilize the power of digital for unique campaign and promotions. In contrast, conventional or analog printing involves creating a printing plates for each and every design. Offset, gravure, and flexography are the most common types of conventional printing in the packaging space, and each involves transferring the image from a plate to the surface. To do this, first the plate needs to be created, and it is the creation of these plates that take time and cost money. Conventional printing is most commonly the preferred method of printing for business looking to do large runs, where inventory and high minimum orders are not a concern. The biggest benefit of digital. Digital printing allows brands and manufacturers to respond quickly to customer demands while improving the supply chain, reducing warehousing cost and waste, and enjoying faster time to market. With digital printing, there are no plates. The major differentiator of these technologies is that there are no setup fees and no plates with digital printing. With no plate to create, this saves times and money as well as hassle down the road. The greatest difference between digital printing and traditional methods such as lithography, flexography, gravure, or letterpress is that there is no need to replace printing plates. In digital printing, whereas in this analog printing method, the plates are repeatedly replaced. This result is quicker turnaround time and slower cost when using digital printing. Digital printing is much quicker. Speaking of speed, many steps are removed in the digital printing process, so naturally your package is created fast and shipped out to your quickly. Speedy productions means your speedy production means getting your product to market faster. It also means it's easier and faster to make changes. Digital printing is highly flexible, so it's easy to make changes to the package design quickly. It all goes back to the plates. With conventional printing, any changes would mean creating a new plate, but with digital, it just means opening and printing a new file. Digital printing allows for more flexibility. Since setup time, fees and plates are eliminated with digital, shorter runs are made possible since there is no upfront cost. It is a digital image, therefore no work is needed to transfer the image onto a physical plate. This means you have much lower order minimums. This is a key differentiator for small to medium sized business that cannot afford a gain first order and who cannot afford to have a lot of money tied in inventory with the possible threat of more inventory can mean more waste down the road. With conventional printing method, short run printing is just not possible. Digital printing proves itself time and time again. Because a great design can make or break your product, digital printing consistently creates high quality, clear and colorful graphics each time. Digital printing on flexible pouches adds the bright and precious graphics that practically backbone consumer to reach out and touch them. The quality of graphics exceeds that of conventional printing methods, is capable of matching existing product lines and register perfectly for every image printed. What's more, digital printing technology gives you the freedom of personalization for customized packaging and messaging for your brand to reach target markets and run specific campaign. Digital allows for the speed, flexibility and clarity that conventional printing method just cannot compete with. Thank you.